Welcome to the show. Welcome to you are the expert for our topic today. The topic being the role of parents in child's career selection. Okay, so in the career planning, how much parents' role is important is what we are going to talk about. Right? So,
Hi, Manisha.
welcome to the show. Parents have adopted beliefs about success, how to be successful, and what constitutes a good job or ideal life basis their beliefs. Anything we feed back to our children is based on these beliefs and our own experiences. What do you have to say about how we can influence them as parents?
First of all, Manisha, thank you so much for having me here. And this question is a valid question because a lot of times जो हमारे ideas या हमारे beliefs या हमारे experience हुए होते हैं, we actually think, okay, this is our now the source, and let's ensure that our children don't go through those kind of issues or those problems. So we kind of get little protective about it, right? And I think that's a human psychology. So, and that we do just because we are not aware. So parents, if you're doing that, it is okay. It is okay because there's always a time and there's always a scope of improvement. So now that you're listening to this talk, I think you can take a corrective action today. And Manisha, before I start with this answer, I would like to know from you, what is your idea of success, or what do you think is your definition of being successful?
Okay, going by my own experiences, success to me is very individualistic. Okay, what we do is, as parents, again, like my question itself has said, that like we try to mold our kids as per our beliefs and experiences, and we want them to whatever I couldn't achieve, I would like my child to achieve those dreams. But here in my case, I would say totally basis my experiences, I find it very individualistic in nature. The parameters that we are setting on kids, okay, so I think that is very unfair. Okay,
Okay,
for me,
let me rephrase it. Let me rephrase it to make it more clear, Manisha. Right? How will Manisha come to know that, okay, now yes, I am successful? So what is that Manisha will see or feel or hear that will make her believe that yes, I am successful?
so for you, maybe getting by the age of 25, owning a house could be your parameter of success. Okay, and for me, it could be different. For me, retiring by the age of say 35 and living my own life could be a measure of success. So for me, it is entirely different. Okay, and both the things going
Exactly.
by my own experience at different age,
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. And now, your child might feel, oh, and you would be like, oh, I achieved this, and why you should also aspire to do something similar. Your child would be like, oh my God. So, it's your idea of being successful. So now, if it comes to your child, your child would feel that, oh my God, mom, what a terrible life you're living. What a mechanical life you're living. I don't want to live like this. I want something new every day. I want to be physically active every day. I want to be in a sphere where I can do my own things. I don't want to be dictated by others. So that could be his or her idea of success, and that is what where the whole belief system is different, and that is where the ideology changes, and that is where the conflict happens, because we want our children to live as per our whims and fancies. And that is the reason I have come up with this very interesting acronym for the parents, and that's shh. That's with double S and double H. Shh. And that the first S is that you should step into their shoes. See, we are 35, 45, 50 years of age. We cannot expect a 14-year or a 17-year-old to to think like us. So step into their shoes. Don't expect them to think like you. Start thinking like them. You will be able to understand their world. You'll be able to understand them well. So once you start understanding them, then that is the time you set an example of yourself, right? अब पेरेंट्स आते हैं मेरे पास, ड्यूरिंग माई वर्कशॉप्स दे से, ज्योति वी वांट आवर चाइल्ड टू बी डिसिप्लिन्ड, और बुक्स तो पढ़ते ही नहीं है, दे डोंट हैव दिस रीडिंग हैबिट, और टाइम मैनेजमेंट क्या होता है इनको पता ही नहीं है. माई क्वेश्चन टू ऑल द पेरेंट्स हु आर हियर, आप कितनी बार टू डू लिस्ट बनाते हो, आप कितनी बुक्स पढ़ते हो? Set an example, guys. That is my second S. And that brings me to sh, that's H. And why double H? That is hand holding. Because once you've stepped into their shoes, you've started understanding how they are seeing the world, and then you've started setting the examples by doing things yourselves, you will understand it is not easy. It is not easy. Their lives are not easy. We think, oh my God, we have given you so much of comfort. But that comfort actually has become their enemy, because that's not making them strive harder. So step into their shoes, set an example by doing it yourself, because they are little mini me's. They will copy you. And then do the hand holding. Hand holding, that's double H. And you will see the miracle happen. You will see that magic happening, because you yourself will become open-minded. You yourself will become self-aware. You yourself will, be ready to understand and empathize with them. And that is where the companionship will happen. That is where the open discussions will happen.
I think the problem happening is finding the right balance between not being over imposing and still coming across as hand holding. So
Exactly.
That is blurred there. So at times we go overboard and try to impose ourselves on our kids. Okay, and instead of hand holding, so instead of guidance, it becomes like we are pushing them.
Yes. Yes. Don't think, see, you as parents cannot be God, right? Don't try to protect them. What we are doing, like I said earlier also, that comfort is becoming their enemy. The problems that we have went through, we are trying to protect them from those problems. But don't you think in the process we are making them weaker? ये प्रॉब्लम्स आई थी, इसीलिए हमें आज और प्रॉब्लम्स भी आती हैं, तो हम कहते हैं अरे वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व की थी, ये भी कर लेंगे. अपने बच्चों को भी करने दो, गिरने दो, क्या होगा, गिरेंगे ना. आप खड़े हो, हैंड होल्डिंग करो, हाथ पकड़ाना, उठ जाएंगे. पर अगर गिरने ही नहीं दोगे तो उनको दर्द ही नहीं आएगा, तो उनको जो सुख है या जो आप उनको you're giving them all the pleasure, they will not even value it. So and this will impact their character, and that is where आपको करियर से अगर मैं इसको लिंक करूं तो ये देखो, अगर आप इतने ओपन माइंडेड होगे तो क्या होगा, आप भी तो अवेयरनेस की तरफ जाओगे. आप भी अगर बच्चे की तरह सोच रहे होगे तो आप भी तो ढूंढोगे ना क्या चीजें नहीं चल रही हैं. What is it that my child like? What is it that that interests him or her? So what is happening here? You're becoming aware. You're becoming open-minded, and that is where you will also help them to take decisions rather than imposing. So to all the parents, shh is the way to go.
So now there are a lot of offbeat career options available. Okay.
Yeah.
Which were not there during our times, during the parents' times. Okay. So I know there is a bit of risk there when it comes to, parents advising their child. They won't like them to get into a territory which is not, a success territory that way. So, so how much should we be, should we let them risk it and fail in the process if, God forbid, if that is the way it comes down to, or how much of, I don't know, when it comes to, I think these new domains, new territories, how much should we let them explore? So you said that let them seeking a struggle hoga, they will learn, and the career is something, if they get into it, it's a serious thing. They will get into it, and for years they will explore it, and for some reason it doesn't work out. As a parent, we are the ones who are going to feel hurt at the end of it. So what's your advice?
Okay, so there is no wrong or right here, first of all. Second, आप ये देखो, unpredicted चीजें तो हम things, there are lot of things that we can't predict. For example, nobody predicted कि COVID आएगा, और कोविड के आने से some of the thriving careers came to a halt, actually went into negative. Hotel industry, travel industry, they were suffering, right? And hotel industry abhi tak bhi properly gain nahi kar pai hai, right? So these are things jo outside environment mein ho raha hai, these are things that will happen and that will keep happening. I personally feel when you start working with your child, the child gets that confidence. Just understand who your child is. सबसे पहले मार्केट में सबसे अच्छा प्रोफेशन क्या है, वो जानने की जगह सबसे पहले वो भी जानो, बट सबसे पहले अपने बच्चे को जानो. क्या आपका बच्चा वो रेडी है उस चीज के लिए? नाउ if you tell oh my god, this my child, he doesn't talk to people, he wants to work alone rather than in a team. अभी मैं इस बच्चे को अगर एक प्रोजेक्ट में डाल दूं जहां पे 10 लोगों के साथ काम करना है, will he be able to perform at his best? No, right? So अगर मैं इसी बच्चे को रिसर्च में डाल दूं, just because I know the child well, I can help the child to get into something where he or she can perform well, right? So that will happen only if you know your child well. पहली चीज. Coming to your question कि unexplored territories में ऐसे venture करना बड़ा ही risky होता है. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. But how about having a basic knowledge, and then adding on to this whole thing? For example, there's this student of mine, he is too much into esports. Now for parents उनको लगता है कि ये क्या वीडियो गेम क्या खेलता रहता है, मतलब this child is getting hooked onto it, and it will spoil his eyes, it will spoil his personality, and parents are worried and they're like, esports में जी है ही क्या, मतलब आज है कल नहीं है, क्या करेंगे अभी, right? So now what we have devised is a balanced plan for a child. What we are doing is, the child is doing BBA and has scheduled his time for esports also. So now what we are doing is, we're giving some base to the child and we are not stopping the child. Why always think कि ये करेंगे या ये करेंगे? Let's try and complement both together, right? How about that? So why are we thinking कि advocate बना दो? Why are we thinking architect बना दो? ये वो जो 6-7 careers जो हमारे वो हैं. Why not think अगर advocate भी बनाना है और बच्चे में अगर वो skills हैं advocate करने के, तो advocate भी वो देखो ना कि जो बच्चे के personality को suit करते हैं. It could be corporate lawyer, it could be forensic this thing, or it could be doing the environmental thing. Why only criminal or civil lawyer, right? So it's all about again, everything boils down to be aware. Everything boils down that please be aware. How many of the parents are going through journals? How many of them? Hardly, right? So let's make ourselves aware so that we can make our children aware. That everything starts from us. I mean, that's a humble request to all the parents. The change starts from us. So let's start becoming self-aware, and you will see नए professions के साथ आप balance कर सकते हो. You can always have a balanced approach. You can always do that.
So according to you, are there any short techniques or steps that we can, as parents can make a career plan, and or while devising a career plan, the things that we should keep in mind?
It's simple और आपको याद रहे, because देखो हर एक चीज का एक स्ट्रैटेजी का हमेशा एक आपको स्ट्रैटेजी को ब्रेक डाउन करना पड़ता है. तो इसको अगर आपको ब्रेक डाउन करना है, then you can follow this acronym called APEX. APPEX. Now what does it mean is it starts with awareness. मैं बार बार बोलती हूँ कि अगर आप वो रहो, अगर आप ये सोचते रहोगे ना, अरे मेरे ज़माने में यू नो सीए था, तो यू नो अभी सीए बहुत अच्छा कमा रहे हैं तो हमारा बच्चा सीए करेगा. अभी अवेयरनेस नहीं है. आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप देख रहे हो कि पिछले जमाने से अभी तक सीए अच्छा कमा रहा था तो आगे भी अच्छा कमाएगा. हाउ डू यू नो दैट? हाउ आर यू सो श्योर अबाउट इट? डिड यू डू योर रिसर्च? Did you try to find out what is the job opportunity? What is the future of being a CA in future? No. We are just going with the past. How can you build your future? By thinking what was happening in past. Past में तो मोबाइल भी नहीं था, अभी है. पास्ट में 30 मिनट्स में डोमिनोज डिलीवर नहीं करता था, अभी करता है, right? So we have moved so much ahead. So why not, you know, and then when it comes to buying a car, we are like, oh my god, now I have this gear वाली कार, अभी मेरे को ऑटोमेटिक कार लेना है, right? We are thinking ahead. But when it comes to career, तो हम पीछे का gear क्यों लगाते हैं? When it comes to career, why not think ahead? So awareness, वो awareness बहुत जरूरी है कि मार्केट में क्या हो रहा है और आपका बच्चा कैसे है. Awareness on two front. What is your child like? What is your child's strengths, weaknesses? What is your child like? What he likes, what he doesn't like? You know, all this really matters. क्योंकि अगर आप एक कम बोलने वाले बच्चे को सेल्स में डाल दोगे, उस बेचारे से सेल ही नहीं होगी. वो चाहे जितना मर्जी इंटेलिजेंट है, जितना मर्जी सिंसियर है, उससे जब वो सेलिंग नहीं होगी तो he will self doubting, he'll self doubt himself. So we are not, you know, let's be aware who our child is and be aware what is happening in the market and what are the future trends. That is point number one. So once you're aware, once you have done your homework, once you have gotten, you know, once you are observant about your child, you know what is happening and what is going to happen, what happens is it becomes easier for you to pinpoint कि ठीक है, मेरा बच्चा is a people's person. Oh my god, so he's a people's person and he's creative, so maybe marketing अच्छी रहेगी. And creative है तो that means out of box thinking के लिए he can be good for strategy, strategy this thing. So maybe he can get into all those think tanks, right? Or since he is thinking out of the box and he's a people's person, he has leadership qualities, oh my god, maybe startup can be a good opportunity. So what you're doing is you're thinking, because अवेयरनेस है इसलिए आपको ये ऑप्शंस पता चल रहे हैं. अभी क्या हुआ, आप पिन पॉइंट करने लग गए कि यार मैंने 20 प्रोफेशंस देखे थे या मैंने 40 प्रोफेशंस देखे थे, अभी मुझे ये पता चल गया ये 5-10 प्रोफेशंस जो है ना मेरे बच्चे के लिए सूट करते हैं. तो अभी आपने क्या किया, आपने एपेक्स का अवेयरनेस किया, पी से पिन पॉइंट किया, राइट? अभी जब आपने 5-10 प्रोफेशंस कर लिए, हो सकता है कि आपको अभी कंफ्यूजन चल रही हो. In that case, the second P of Apex, that is proper guidance. Every day the profession is changing. Every day new occupations are coming in. Take guidance from an expert. That could be an opportunity. That could be a way of adding on to your research work. Take proper guidance from any expert, any career coach, or somebody who's an expert in career guidance. Take proper guidance, get the career mapping done, understand what are the pros and cons of those 5 or 10 professions maybe, right? And then once you have done that APP, the last thing comes execution. और execution के लिए मैंने EX लगाया है. So A stands for awareness, P stands for pinpointing, the second P stands for proper guidance, and EX stands for execution. And why I have given EX two letters is because execution is very important. आपने प्लान कर लिया, सब कुछ कर लिया, प्लान करने के बाद अगर वो फाइल बन के रह गया तो इट्स ऑफ नो यूज. एग्जीक्यूटेड, जब आपके पास प्रॉपर गाइडेंस आ गया, आपको प्रॉज एंड कॉन्स पता चल गया, स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर यूनिवर्सिटी, स्टार्ट लुकिंग कि अच्छा ये कॉलेजेस कौन से हैं, कौन से कॉलेजेस ये कोर्सेज देते हैं, उन वो कॉलेजेस जो हैं जो दे रहे हैं, गो एंड टॉक टू देम. Every college, university have their admission counselors. Talk to them, understand better, understand what is the placement like. उसमें जाकर उनकी जॉब प्रोफाइल क्या हो रही है, वो क्या काम करने वाले हैं. Go with your child, in fact. Let the child also get aware. Let the child understand मेरी कॉलेज लाइफ कैसे होने वाली है, लोग जो पास आउट होके जा रहे हैं वो कहाँ कहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, तो आप एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हो. Once you're doing that, once you've done that, imagine the kind of motivation the child will have, the kind of inspiration that child will get from those people who are passing out. And if he or she happens to talk to them, or if he or she happens to talk to some industry expert from that industry, imagine the kind of inspiration the child will have, that self motivation the child will have, that yes, I want to go there. Now what is happening, the child has started getting focused.
Yeah.
And as a parent, your job is done. You've given a direction to your child by hand holding. You're not pushing the child into a certain thing. You are just hand holding, creating the pathway, letting the child walk through it. So you're good to go. So Apex, easy to remember, easy to remember. And I think you're sorted.
What is the right age? Is class 6th or class 11th? What standard kids should, at what age we should start focusing and taking it more seriously? That this is when, as parents, we need to take them seriously, because they have, at different age, they have different aspirations, different ambitions. Okay, class 6
Right.
students, they want to become singer. Then by 8, that thing changes. It is something else. By 11th, it is something else altogether. So
Right.
at what age we should actually, start focusing and try to get them molded into, onto the path of what they want to achieve?
Right. I think class 8 is a good time when we can actually start working with them. Having said that, let your children explore. जब छोटे होते हैं, प्री टीन्स में होते हैं या फिर छोटे होते हैं, let them explore different areas. Because जब तक आप ट्राई नहीं करते हो, कई बार आपको लगता है कि अरे this is something I will not eat. But the moment you eat that, you're like, oh, जैसे दिख रही थी वैसे इतना बुरा नहीं है टेस्ट, आई कैन ईट इट, राइट. सो इट्स अबाउट एक्सपीरियंसिंग, राइट. सो एक्सप्लोर करने का टाइम, वो जो छोटे होते हैं ना जब बच्चे, तो उनको एक्सप्लोर करने दो, लेट देम एक्सप्लोर. उससे दे स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग वेदर दे आर लाइकिंग इट और दे आर नॉट लाइकिंग इट. पहली चीज क्लास 8 में इसलिए बोलती हूँ बिकॉज तब तक थोड़ा बच्चे के अंदर वो मेच्योरिटी आनी शुरू हो चुकी होती है. और क्लास 8 में क्या होता है कि आप बच्चे के साथ आप काम करना शुरू कर सकते हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ you can make them understand, you can make them go visit some sites. आप अभी awareness create करना शुरू कर सकते हो, because they don't have to decide in class 8. It's about creating awareness कि अच्छा ये इस तरह के careers होते हैं, इस तरह की sites हैं जहाँ पर तुम्हें different careers के बारे में पता चलेगा. तुम देखो कि अगर पायलट बनना है तो पायलट बनने के लिए क्या क्या पढ़ना पड़ता है, पायलट के लिए बनने के लिए पायलट का लाइफस्टाइल क्या होता है. सो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इज यू आर मेकिंग द चाइल्ड लिव दैट लाइफ फॉर कपल ऑफ मिनट्स और कपल ऑफ आवर्स. नाउ द चाइल्ड विल थिंक, हाँ मैंने ना वो सी दैट रिमाइंड्स मी, and that reminds me of one of the students coming to me and telling me that, ma'am, I want to become investment banker, right? So what happens is, so when I started talking to him, I felt, oh my god, he's so clear in his idea, and he was in class +1. He's like so clear in his idea. So I was quite impressed, like yeah, really, like the child doing. So I started exploring with him that okay, investment banker क्यों बनना है, कहाँ से ये inspiration आई, किसको देखा, we started talking, and he told me he wants to be investment banker because he saw this movie called Zindagi Milegi Na Dobara. I hope I'm saying the name correctly, and he saw Hrithik Roshan being investment banker and he really liked the lifestyle. So now see where these our young children are coming from. They are seeing the outcome only, the result. हमें स्टीव जॉब्स बनना है क्योंकि उसका लाइफस्टाइल बहुत अच्छा है. और सुंदर पिचाई is in news all the time. मुझे तो वैसे ही बनना है. But nobody is seeing what he did to become Sundar Pichai, the Sundar Pichai, you know, or what did Steve Jobs do to become the Steve Jobs, right? So this research, this awareness, if we start a little early, our children will not get misguided by just seeing the outcome. They'll also go through that journey कि अच्छा मुझे ये सब करना पड़ेगा, whether I would love to do it or whether I would not love to do it, whether I have this ability, and if I don't have the ability, then you have enough time to build that ability also. For example, a child says, oh my god, I really love to talk, I want to be an anchor. बट अभी +2 के बाद वो कहता है कि ठीक है मैं तो अभी एंकर, अभी वो उसको क्या होगा, उसको जैसे ही वो कॉलेज में जाएगा इंफीरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा. सो हाउ अबाउट 8th में ही अगर बच्चे को ये पता चल गया तो यू कैन हैव कम्युनिकेशन क्लासेस फॉर योर चाइल्ड, right? You can build the ability for the child. So what I suggest is 8th. Why? This is the reason 8th, because us time pe you can add on to their abilities, you can work with them, you have time, so you can see the process and then the outcome. So will give you more time to be aware.
So great interacting with you, Jyoti. Anything else you would like to add?
See, when it comes to career or anything about life, I personally feel we are looking for shortcuts here. There's no shortcut. We have to work hard. We have to be focused and don't get consumed by, see, what is happening with our children these days is that a lot of social media and a lot of digital screen time is actually making them distracted. So if you want a really successful life, then I would suggest all of you कि it's not bad to be on social media, but then be creators on social media. Don't get consumed by it. अगर social media पे जाना है तो अपने काम को promote करो, अपने आप को promote करो. Show your abilities, show your skills that you have. So you are then creating content for people to see. You're not getting consumed by it. So guys, it's never too early, never too late. And parents, if you haven't started thinking from 8th class, it's okay. It's never too late. The best time was when your child was in 8th, but the next best time is now. So take action now. It's okay. It's never too late. So that's my word of advice to all the parents, that don't panic. Everything will fall in place. Just keep up the good work by doing your homework first, and things will be sorted. And guys, please be creators, not consumers. And you will see that your personality will enhance itself. Yeah.
So there are a lot of times when careers are decided basis peer pressure. So because my friend is joining this, my friend wants to become this, I want to become this. Okay.
Yes.
So which is like 90% of times doesn't work out. Okay. In the long run. So in such a scenario, when as parents we can see that is like that decision is taken by the child, being just seeing the friend doing it. So
yeah, pressure aa jata. Yes.
Yeah. So in such a scenario, as parents, there is a course correction that I think the parents have to, need.
Yes. See, it's a valid question, and ये घर की कहानी है. So I can totally, this is such a relevant question that you have asked, and it's good that you asked this. जब हम ये awareness की बात कर रहे हैं, अगर तो बच्चे अभी छोटे हैं और you are in that process, then parents, you are at a good position, because if you are aware, you will be able to make your child aware. और अगर awareness आती है, then the child gets clear also. वो clarity of thought आनी शुरू हो जाती है, right? But ये जो हम कब हमारे अंदर वो herd mentality आती है, कब हमारे अंदर वो follower mentality आती है? कभी सोचा है मनीषा? तब आती है जब हमें खुद को श्योरिटी नहीं होती. That is when we follow. That is when we follow. Otherwise, अगर हमें पता है that color black looks good on me, then even if your friend is wearing pink, magenta, whatever, you will say, I'll wear color black only because that suits me, right? Mm-hmm. But if you're unsure yourself, then you're like, oh my God, majority of my friends are wearing fuchsia color, so let me also wear that color, right? Yes. So if the parents are in that stage and if the children are in that stage, guys, देर कुछ नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है, आपको friends के साथ रहना है, okay, fine. Keep it aside for a moment and just think, आपको क्या पसंद है? Again, go inward and see what you like, what you don't like. Pen it down. Don't make mental notes. Writing, मतलब एक छोटा सा, it's just a 15 minutes activity. If you have time, Manisha, I can tell this activity, and this activity will do wonders not only for children but for us also when we are confused. Simple activity. Just ask yourself, what are you good at? What are things that you would like to improve, right? And then what are things that that interest you always, right? And how you see yourself 5 years में क्या चाहते हो कि आप क्या करना चाहोगे? If you ask those questions from yourself and write it down, lot of times you'll get the answer there itself. So simple question, who you are. When I say who you are, that means what are you good at? What are your weaknesses? What are you good at? Like, what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? Having asked this and written all of this, third question अपने आप से ये पूछो कि ये weakness, इन सब weaknesses में से कौन सी weakness को अपनी strength बनाना चाहोगे? Start working on that. 3 questions. First, do that. Now, if your strengths, now that you know your strengths, will you like to have a career based on your strengths or weaknesses? And if your child, if your friend is taking maths and you are not good at maths, and you're seeing that in the written notes that you're not good in maths, what will happen? What will happen to you? Either you turn your weakness into strength, or don't go for it, or don't go for it, or don't go for it. आपको खुद अपने answers वहां पे मिलने शुरू हो जाएंगे.
There's an amazing experience. Parents do seriously. This will bring out so much of clarity. And
और आपको बच्चे को force नहीं करना पड़ेगा. बच्चे को खुद को दिख रहा है कि मेरी weakness physics है, मेरी physics weakness है. तो am I ready to make that weakness into strength? Or am I ready to skip that physics and go ahead for something else? So they will understand themselves, and parents will not have to force. And yes, आप अपने friends को miss करोगे, सारी चीजें ठीक हैं, but मुझे एक बात बताओ, ये सारे friends कब तक इकट्ठे रहोगे तुम लोग? +2 तक. +2 के बाद तो different colleges में admission हो जाएगा, फिर क्या करोगे? So how about building a bond in a way where you can meet after school? And how about increasing your friend circle? So, think about that. कि अभी 5 friends हैं, तो कुछ और choose करोगे जो आपका interest का है, तो basically you will be excelling in your life. And instead of 5 friends, you might have 7 friends or 10 friends. And still excelling in the life. So think about it. Do you want to excel in your life and have a lot of friends, or do you want to be downhill and then feel that, oh my God, all my friends are busy in their own life, so I don't have friends also and I'm going downhill?
Jyoti, excellent interacting with you. Really amazing. The way you have put, you've laid out all the points and the way you have explained it. I mean, so easy to implement. And
I hope it would make sense to parents, and I have kept it very simple so that most of the people can understand and can relate with it. So that was the idea. Yeah.
Thanks again.
Okay.